Yo, what's up guys, welcome to a brand new video on this channel. Today I am going to talk a little about and teach you how to do this challenge that's been going around. When you take your hand and try to do it like this. It's very easy, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. So let's get it.
All she want is two things, back shots in the back rubbing. Oh I'm that nigga that'll do that. And I can't lie, love the way that you move that. You know I get that check and run through that.
So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your hand, take your finger and push it against your thumb. Take your hand like this and move it down like that. It's as easy as this. Then you just do it like this. It's like magic. See? So don't tell anybody about this. Don't show anyone. Just like, subscribe, and comment. Share this. And yeah, I want 10 likes on this video. Please, can we hit that? Please, I want 10 likes. It's very easy, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I will post a new video.